which of the following is invalid or valid variable? You tell me. आप बताओगे मुझे आंसर?
मैम लास्ट.
मैम सेकंड.
_2.
मैम थर्ड वाला.
थर्ड वाला day_2.
नहीं मैम थर्ड तो ठीक है.
अच्छा नहीं वो ठीक है.
सोच कर बताओ क्योंकि एग्जाम स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं. आगे आगे हम किए जा रहे हैं बट यू आर नॉट डूइंग प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स. इट इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड. Which one? Second one because a variable cannot be started with the integer values.
नंबर से शुरू नहीं हो सकता.
Underscore is allowed as well. Characters are allowed as well. Okay. Some symbols are also allowed, but some special symbols are not allowed here. How would you write?
मैंने दिया था. मैं फर्स्ट सेकंड मैंने दिया था.
Very good. How would you write x raised to the power y in the Python expressions?
Second.
Second one.
Sure, second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
Which of the following statement prints the shown output below? All of you raise your hand who knows about the answer.
Ma'am, the first one.
Ma'am, first.
Yes, Kanak?
Ma'am, first.
First one, print hello.
Audible.
None of them.
Am I audible? Am I audible to you?
Yeah. Which one?
Okay. Ma'am, first one.
First one.
मैम ब्रैकेट गलत है फर्स्ट में.
Yes, first one is the correct answer. Predict the output of the following. बताओ. Think and then.
मैम फर्स्ट वाले में मैम वो वाला ब्रैकेट नहीं लगा हुआ. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट जिसे कहते हैं.
नहीं, why the square bracket will be put?
जरूरी नहीं है.
हम लग तो वैसे ही रहा.
नहीं. You see, fourth question. Down, hands down, please. Fourth question. What will be the output there?
Ma'am, no output.
Ma'am, no
Yes,
output. Ma'am, third one.
मैम एरर होगा.
Ma'am, third. No output.
No output.
Ma'am, error.
मैम एरर होना चाहिए.
सोच लो. I am not in hurry.
Ma'am, no output.
What will be the value of x minus y multiplied by 2? Do you want anything?
10.
For I in range x minus y multiplied by 2. What will be the answer there?
10.
X value 10. 10 minus 5 multiplied by 2. It means
0.
10 minus 10.
0.
0. So according to this 0, the answer will be print I. तो print I में क्या आएगी वैल्यू? अप टू 0 कह रहा है ना. आउटर लिमिट इसकी 0 हो गई. इट मीन व्हाट विल बी द आंसर देयर? एरर आएगा. नो आउटपुट. क्या लिखा? वैल्यू ऑफ x
minus y into 2 में पहले वो x minus y ऑपरेट करेगा ना.
x माइनस y ऑपरेट करेगा. क्यों? प्रेसिडेंस इसकी ज्यादा नहीं है प्रायोरिटी. y multiplied by 2 whose priority is maximum.
Multiplication.
For this basic things, it will use your BODMAS rule. This is also the precedence of operators. I think I discussed about that also, that you should explore that from the Google also. Okay, the precedence of operators. For the basic operators, the BODMAS rule will be followed. Right? The value of expression, this and this is the same.
Yes, ma'am. True.
Yes.
Ma'am, it will be true.
Aishwarya,
मैम फॉल्स
नो
मैम फॉल्स पहले 4/3 हो जाएगा दूसरे वाले में
पहले वाले में ब्रैकेट है तो वो ब्रैकेट पहले सॉल्व करेगा
exactly.
मैम पर वैल्यू तो सेम आ रही है।
नहीं पहले 4/3 कर देगा उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई करेगा डिनोमिनेटर
It
में
will solve firstly the precedence of operators, the bracket की
ब्रैकेट अंदर से सॉल्व होते रहेंगे ना।
bracket वाली maximum, then after that it will solve that and that.
तो मैम फर्स्ट वाले केस में तो 4/3 आएगा और सेकंड वाले में भी तो वही आएगा फिर।
एग्जैक्टली मैम।
यस मैम, दोनों में तो वही आएगा।
ये एक मिनट रुकना जरा, मैं देखता हूँ।
ब्रैकेट्स ही वैसे लगे हुए हैं क्योंकि
हम दोनों में 4/3
वैल्यू तो सेम ही आएगी भाई, वैल्यू विल बी
तो
सेम,
मैम ट्रू होगा ना मैम, फ्री है, ट्रू होगा फ्री।
वैल्यू विल बी सेम, ट्रू। Value can be assigned only once. Value can be assigned only once.
मैम फॉल्स।
फॉल्स
मैम हम एक्स भी डाल सकते हैं, वाई भी डाल सकते हैं वेरिएबल।
नहीं, वैल्यू कैन बी असाइंड ओनली वंस। अगर आप एक वेरिएबल को वैल्यू असाइन करो, लेट्स से यू आर गिविंग x इक्वल्स टू 2, ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट इफ आई एम असाइनिंग अनदर वैल्यू तो इट विल ओवरराइट।
मैम
False. In a nested loop, a break statement terminates all the nested loops in one go. What is the purpose of break statement?
नेक्स्ट लाइन में लाने
it stops the loop at that point.
Exactly. Identify the valid declaration to L. नहीं, ये आपको नहीं कर पाओगे क्योंकि अभी I have not discussed that. This is also not your part. This is also not your part. Actually, this is from the whole revision tour. So that's why. List, in fact, we are doing, so you can attend that one, 17th question. And as well as this 16th also we can do. 15th. See all these questions in your, see all these questions in your solve. एक मिनट रुको. I'm just sharing the screen. You need to do just for a second. Yes. Have you done? Sorry. Have you done?
मैम 15th का थर्ड, 16th का फर्स्ट.
मैम 15 का थर्ड और मैम 100 just 200.
एक मिनट. One by one we will discuss. What will be the output of the following print statement? मुझे भी तो देखने दो ना. एक मिनट, क्या बोल रहा है ये?
मैम
Print
100
plus
100.
200.
मैम
So
third
what
one.
will be the? हाँ.
थर्ड वन.
Third one. Very good. Why the third one will be the answer?
And because it
Because
is
in the double
Because
quotation
double
mark, the
inverted
plus
comma.
symbol. हाँ, the plus symbol will behave like concatenation operator. ठीक है? So as it is, the symbol will be displayed.
Ma'am, 16th will be fourth part.
Is there any urgent message so they can send? Yes.
Ma'am, third.
Yes, good, very good. The statement, be well, str1 is greater than str2 shall return this output. What will be the answer there?
False.
False.
And fourth part.
Okay,
Fourth part.
done. Suppose list 1 equals to this, the output list is this. So what will be the answer there?
Third.
Third option.
Third option. Yes, third option is okay. This one, 0.5, 1.0, this one and this one. See it again, all of you, and then you can check. Please check it in your computer also, that what will be the answer. Check it in your computer also as well, all the students. Check all. This one, this statement only you need to write. Not the semicolon नहीं आता है कभी, so ignore the semicolon there. From there. Done? Very good. Some very good people are coming so late. Seriously, I will not mark their present in the attendance register. Oh, is this okay? I will not discuss. I will not write your attendance to who is coming late in the class.
Ma'am, it's showing no output.
No output.
No, ma'am,
For
third
which?
part.
Ma'am, we have to write print statement also.
List 1, then what is the answer there?
Ma'am, third part.
Third part.
Third part.
Third part will be the answer. Okay. Which of the following is valid relation operator?
I'm third.
I'm third.
And third.
This is so simple and straightforward. Is a Python operator responsible for declaring the variables?
Assignment operator.
अच्छा, आरव शर्मा, आरव ग्रेवाल, What will be the answer, Diya? 19. Where is Arav Grewal? Arav Grewal. वो सोता रहेगा, फिर बाद में उसको कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा कि क्या हो रहा है. Not responding in the class. See, I'm just okay. Fine. Chalo, we should do. Then after that, I will call. Yeah. What will be the answer there? What will be the output of the following code? एक मिनट.
मैम थर्ड पार्ट.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम थर्ड पार्ट.
Third part is the answer.
Third part.
Output
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
following code.
No, ma'am.
String is this, then W in string X, W equals to A, then print star. आपको एक एक पूरा ट्रेवर्सल देखना पड़ेगा. Have you checked that?
Yes.
देखो, first of all, W will be equals to A, तो star तो आ ही जाएगा. Star will come, right? So from these two, next iteration, in the next iteration, whenever the value will be B, okay, it will go to that statement, or B will be the third will be the answer. Check for whole statement. Check for whole statement. सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि दो statement आपने check किया है. Then after that you are giving the answer. It can be no output also. So it can be error also. So kindly check for whole. Checked?
Ma'am, when it is saying print W, so it will print the string W or the value of W.
Value B. Dear, it is
मैम
saying
थर्ड ही होना चाहिए फिर.
print W, it is saying. Print W, it is saying. So what will be the value there? No. Sorry. See, X equals to this value is here. This is the string. Now it is checking for the W in X. So what is X? X is the kind of string there. What is X? What is X?
Ma'am,
X is the string. So it will start from this location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. For W in X, in W, if W equals to A, then print star.
Ma'am, third only.
Right? सुनो मेरी बात पहले. Okay. If W equals to A, then it will print star. Okay. W is equals to A. So it is printing star there. So what will be the value of W there? W की कौन सी value है? B. It is lying on B. So what will be the value there in the W? It will present the value B, not W as it is. Agar if you want to present W as it is, so what will be the changing in the code? You need to write it to W in the double quotation mark. तभी तो as it is आता है ना? Otherwise it will print its value. What will be the value there? B, A, B, C, like this. ठीक है बच्चों? Okay. Okay or not for that? Is there any doubt to anyone? Right? These things we have already done. This is also kind of list. What will be the answer? No, there is a dictionary. The first of all dictionary has introduced, so it is out of your course now. Okay, I need to check. This one is okay. So you can try with this. What will be the output of the Python code snippet? Because Dal and Pope we have already discussed, so you can check with that also. If you want, then you can write this program. Okay, write the same code in your computer also, and then after that try to understand that what will be the answer there. And see, in the examination it is not allowed. It is not allowed, okay, to follow the questions and answers from your computers. Okay, opening the software is not allowed in here. Is this okay? Because in the theory examination, only you need to write the answer. Only you need to write the answer according to that. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Kindly do till the operators, nested loop, everything very deep.
Ma'am, second part.
First और second option में difference क्या है?
There is a difference. Orange is in one line and then the list is in the second line.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Second है.
Second is the answer. Right. I hope that you have done that. Okay. So these type of question you can do practice. Okay, beta? Right. Now I'm sharing. Okay, list we were doing. Okay, today also we will discuss something about the list also. Only the list basic questions we will do. Just wait for a second. I'm just taking some photographs also. Yeah, today also we will discuss about the list. Then after that, few points I want to learn. So very first of computer organization. That is totally theory part. Till then we will do practice of the in between. We will do practice of list programming only, right, bachcho? So these things we have already discussed with you. So I'm just sending some more list programs I want to discuss. Have you done from your book the list portion? Have you revised? Have you revised the list portion from your book? Can you open your book, all of you?
Ma'am, page number.
Wait just a second. The bubble sort is given there. I'm just taking the photo and sending in your group. Wait. Okay. See, in the last class today, I will discuss that bubble sort part only. Okay, from your book. All this portion we have already done in the yesterday. Yesterday we discussed about the bubble sort also. Okay, so do you know that what is bubble sort? First of all, I will discuss about the technique of the bubble sort. Yeah, this picture we were discussing yesterday. Is this okay? Is this okay? This picture we were discussing yesterday. So what is the main logic and what will be the technique of the bubble sort? Basically, what is the purpose of sort? It arranges the data in the ascending or in the descending order. That is simple. That is the purpose of sorting. Okay, two kinds of sorting I told. That one is your bubble sort. Second one is your insertion sort. First is bubble sort, second one is your insertion sort. So I started bubble sort in this chapter. Sorting is like this.
Ma'am, your voice
14.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
11. फिर से प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है क्या? Is this clear now? Am I audible? Class, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
एक बार ये हॉटस्पॉट और ऑन कर देना जरा. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible.
Okay. Right. Let's say it will check according to the two elements here. Let's say 15 and 14 are here, 15 and 12 are here, 15 and 11 are here, or 15 and 13 are here. So according to that, it will check that data. Ki 15 or 14 में से which one is lesser and which one is bigger. So it will change that value. It means it will swap that value. What is the process of swapping the values? What is the process of swapping the values? If I want to swap the values, yes. See, if I have two variables, A equals to 5 and B equals to 10. Okay. And we want to interchange the values. If we want to interchange the values, like A equals to 5, 6 and B equals to 9. If we want to interchange the values, how can we interchange the values? Directly if we will assign B's values in A, so it will overwrite into A. हम चाहते हैं A में जो 6 है वो 9 इधर आ जाए और ये वाला इधर आ जाए. How can we do? सोचो और मुझे बताओ. अगर मैं बेटा A के अंदर B को ट्रांसफर करती हूँ तो A के ऊपर 9 will be overwrite on 6, right? So how can I Interchange the values of A and B. Tell me. हरी आप जो दिल में बताओ सोचकर बच्चों. अच्छा देखो, अकॉर्डिंग टू माई टेक्निक कैन आई डू समथिंग कि एक थर्ड वेरिएबल ले लेते हैं. सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, ए को थर्ड में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. ए को वी आर ट्रांसफरिंग इन द थर्ड वेरिएबल दिया. ओके, नाउ ए की वैल्यू सेफ हो गई कहीं पर, सेफली हमने रख दी. देन आफ्टर दैट इन ए we are sending the value of B, and after that, okay, we are sending the value of B. Okay, then after that in B we are transferring the value of A. So what will be the value of A and B now?
9 and 6.
9 and 6. जो 6 और 9 थी वो क्या हो गई? 9 and 6. This is called the swapping. Numbers. Swapped these numbers logically. Got it? Understood or not? With the help of third number, transferring the values of two variables. Okay, this was the value there. I was discussing the same thing.
Ma'am, in the output it's showing C is not defined. Ma'am, you are not audible.
$14.
You are not audible.
So it will check first of all.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking continuously.
Yes. Yes, Kanak.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. फिर से क्या प्रॉब्लम आता है? Let me see. Internet access is. हॉटस्पॉट एक बार बोलना ऑन करेंगे. इन वाईफाई ठीक से नहीं काम कर रहा है.
Ma'am, वो A और C वाले क्वेश्चन में it's showing my output that C is not defined.
Beta, I told you na कि this was not the full program. I was only discussing the logic with you. As a board, I was using that. Okay, we will do it in the program also. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Is this visible now? Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If my voice is okay, then we can discuss that. Otherwise, we will discuss it tomorrow. Am I audible?
Your voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, तो आप एक काम करना. Kindly do that program at home also. ठीक है, kindly do that program. I'm just taking your attendance because time is almost over. So it will take lots of time. Okay, so in between to that, I don't want to break the logic. क्योंकि इसका जो लॉजिक है वो बहुत डीपली उसको समझाना पड़ेगा, तो इट विल टेक टाइम. right? So tomorrow we will discuss about the bubble sort first of all. Is this okay? I'm just taking your attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Okay, within few minutes it is not possible to understand. Okay. Why it is not opening? एक मिनट, I'm stop sharing the screen बच्चों. एक मिनट रुको.
मैम कोड लिखने को भी आ सकता है एग्जाम में या फिर सिर्फ एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में होगा, सो वी डोंट हैव टू राइट.
Beta, in the PT one specially I requested, and I'm just requesting also because there should be some written examination as well, because this time I know that in the class 12 they're giving only the MCQs type of questions, the case studies and the reasoning and assertion questions they are giving there. But okay, for the 11th class it should be valid that we should give some part of the descriptive test also. No issues in the activities, definitely I'm going to take. Okay. MCQs type question will be asked this time.
में तो होते ही है प्रैक्टिकल.
Yes बच्चों.
हम हाफ ईयरली में तो होगा ही ना प्रैक्टिकल.
हाँ, हाफ ईयरली में तो definitely it should be, because I requested also to that. I want to give, in fact. Because MCQs are not the sufficient one, so I will give. Okay, बच्चों, done. Yes, now you can leave.
Ma'am, can you share the PDF of strings and loops in classroom?
List. Control statement.
Yes, ma'am. Nested loops.
एक मिनट रुको, मैं इसी पे chat पे I'm just sending. Then you can take it from there and send it in the group. Okay, Kanak?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I will send it later. ये अभी है नहीं यहाँ पर. I will send it later from my another computer is here. Right? चलो, okay. You can leave. I'm just sending those.